in today's video, I'm going to take you through how to check who poked you on Facebook and how to poke a friend on Facebook. So to start with, what is the meaning of Facebook poke? So when you say Facebook poke is just and it's the easiest way to say hello to a friend. Yes, this is the easiest way just to say hello to a friend instead of you typing, go to the person DM, typing how are you. It's just that when you use this feature, it's the same as saying hello to a friend. This feature has been in Facebook for a longer period of time, and most people don't even know about it. So I'm going to show you how to poke someone and also how to check who poked you on Facebook. You're welcome to this channel. If today is your first time watching my video, my name is Isaac and this is what I do here. I do a whole lot of things here. If you're looking for this video, this is the right video that you need to watch. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. So for you to see who poked you on Facebook or to poke your friend on Facebook, you just have to open your Facebook account. Okay, after that you go to the Facebook search engine. This is the search engine. You click on that and you type poke, P-O-K-E. So then you search. So as you can see, the first option that shows poke your friends and see who has poked you. So just hit on that. So as you can see, pokes, I have 2 pokes now from my friend. So you can decide to poke back by just click on poke back. Okay, so this is the next line, also shows the suggested pokes. So if I want to post any of my friends here, I will just click on poke and I'll just poke them. I can just poke them. So you can also do the same thing, just say hello to your friend. So this is how you poke and how you can see who poked you on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.